you wanna sightsee. All of my kicks, they icy. Had to fly with my girl, my wifey. You niggas sweet like iced tea. I'ma blow up, no might be. 1,000 on kicks, I'm a hype beast. Little Puerto Rican, yes, she feisty. Looked up my name, straight tight beats. Your man's on my place. Keeping my money in a safe. Smoking that earth, no boxing saves. Rubbing to these niggas like Mace, amen. She playing my song, she a fan. Walked in the club with them bands. Can't be tweaking off Zans. Off-white force, not your tan. Kiddo. Yeah, that's tough. But yo, what's good? It's Kid Okay, you know the vibes. And today, something sweet, something simple. Damn. Something sweet, something simple. We got some, hold on. You ever seen like on Blue's Clues? We got a letter. A letter. Nah, but my guys over at Reps Get You Paid sent me some gear. So we finna just review it and go through the box and how it's set up. So let's do it. I bet. So first look at the box, the packaging. So priority mail. So I am priority. But nah, looking at the box, it's just wrapped in, you know, some paper type shit. Taped up. Straight. Yeah, I just seen worse. Like bad. Like, but anyways, let's just crack it open. I'm gonna rip it open. I'm not gonna show y'all all that, but let's. Alright, so when I first opened the box, my guys, ooh. Okay, it's the quality. It's the quality for me. It's the quality. I just love getting new stuff sometimes. My mom said I need to stop buying stuff. But these are my guys. I gotta support. Crazy? You crazy, you're dumb. Just gotta, first, you gotta support your homies, bro. Like, a lot of these niggas, they don't do nothing. Like, I mean, ain't nothing wrong with not doing nothing, but support your guys. Ooh, a little letter. We ask you kindly to unbox. Oh, these, see, my niggas. Sorry for the wait, K-Band. It's all good. You know, it's all love. I love what they doing over there, R.G.Y.P. I love what they doing over there, bro. Like, yo, this is crazy. Look at that. Look at the box. I ain't never got no clothes that, there it going. I ain't never got no clothes that come in like a shoebox. Yeah, this is wild. This is wild. And I'm not even like hyping it because these my guys, but like this is some good some good shit. Some good shit. Look at it. Alright, so when you first open the box, you know, you can just snap it like that. This is like really good material. This is really good.
Earn free crypto. Just been worried about it.
What the hell? No, don't go get that crypto shit. That shit's a scam.
Cryptocurrency.
Shit's a scam. Scam! Damn, hold on. I heard that is beat. New big got a badass, she wanna fuck me. My bad, y'all. I don't know what just happened with my camera. If y'all didn't get it, but this is the socks. They gave me some socks. This is nice. Like, good quality socks. These not these play socks. They're just like tube socks with a little writing on it. Little smiley face, happy face. Alright, bet. Here we go. We're gonna keep it pushing. We're gonna keep it pushing. We're gonna keep pushing. But anyways, before I continue to come opening this stuff, they leave you a nice little motivation basically. And before I go on, I want to give y'all some background about Reps Get You Paid, because it's not, I don't want to just make it feel like it's just a clothing brand. It's more of it's a lifestyle. Reps Get You Paid is more of a lifestyle, and I embody the Reps Get You Paid lifestyle because reps literally get you paid. Like, if you want to be great at something, you have to put the hours in. 10,000 hours, 100 hours, you got to put the hours in if you want to be at that level. If you want to get paid, you got to put the reps in. So it's basically in the dang, right here, in the dang logo. And they got a sick logo right here if y'all not familiar with their logo. But right here in the box, you get this, it's probably backwards, but it says, repetition every day produces success. Reps, yeah. Oh, they're tough. They're tough. Alright, so I'm gonna read y'all the little statement on the back, the little quote they got up here. Thanks for being a part of the R.G.Y.P family. You know, I've been a part of that. Where we embody the importance of finding your passion and backing it with hard work, discipline, and resilience. Oh, the boy's tough. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This is it. This is it. They got something good going on. I ain't gonna lie. They got something good. But back to the clothes, back to everything. I'm gonna tell y'all, give y'all a review, give y'all a rate, and everything. So. Bro, these ads are crazy. Ads are crazy. Ads are crazy, man. Alright, so listen, here we go. They hooked your boy up. They gave me a little mask. A little white little mask guy. I need one of these. You know, these should be getting dirty though. Like, I got a real like oily face sometimes, and yeah, we ain't talk about that. But hey, back to it. Back to it. Let's do it. Oh, here we go. Other than the shirt, the Reps Get You Paid shirt, the one of one, you know, one of one colorway. These boys don't got this colorway because they not thinking like me. I got a one on one. Text on my phone. Probably a leader. Alright, so in the bag, we got little stickies. Little sticky notes you put in your car. I feel like I'm gonna put this on my fridge, dude. I might put this on my hat. I ain't gonna lie. That might be tough. Reps Get You Paid. Yes. Reps. And then we got this. Some more logos. Aim to Inspire. Another big thing they got right there. Aim to Inspire. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Another logo. The Reps Get You Paid logo. Yeah, I might put that Reps Get You Paid shit on my hat, dude. I'm gonna fit it. Alright, boom. So now the main event. Honestly, this is some good quality, bro. Like, it's really nice to see this and how these boys are doing this. Alright, boom. And the tag. The R.G.Y.P. right there. I like how it's not just pressed on, it's stitched on. It's not just this play stuff y'all get from these other brands. Right here we got the tag. Love it. Comfort colors. I love it. Comfort colors. That's good material. The shirt, overall the shirt, honestly the shirt is a lot better quality than I thought it would be. I really thought it was gonna give me some like rinky dinky shirt. But nah, this is really good quality, no cap. But bang, right here, the cream colorway with the green Reps Get You Paid. This is the shirt right here. I'm gonna do some more visuals with it after I'm done. But this is basically the shirt right there. That's all it is. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie. With all the stuff I got, this is definitely a 10 out of 10. And what the vision and their slogan and what they're about really is what I'm about. Is about just making everybody better and just love and telling people you can do what you want to do, and if you just put the reps in. And yeah, Kiddo Kid rates this a Big 10. A Big 10 across the board. Yeah, man, this is awesome. No lie, this is great. I love it. Especially my socks, dude. I might put this somewhere too, though. This is good too. This is just all good stuff. I'm very excited about this brand and what they're gonna be doing. So yeah, let me get y'all a picture of the shirts and the shoes and this everything. So boom, thanks. Basically what it is. It's the shirt.